Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to send audio files on Discord iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Sending audio files on Discord using an iPhone is straightforward. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, launch the Discord app on your iPhone. Navigate to the server and choose the text channel. Or open a direct message for the person you want to send the audio file to. Tap the plus icon located at the left of the message input box. This will open the attachment menu. In the menu that appears, choose Files or upload the file depending on your app version. This will open your iPhone's file browser. Navigate to the location of the audio file on your iPhone. You can use the Browse tab to find files stored in iCloud Drive, local storage, or other cloud services linked to your Files app. For example, I choose to tap on Downloads. Tap on the audio file you want to send them. Tap Open. It will be attached to your message. Once the file is attached, you can add the message if you wish. Once done, tap the Send button to send the audio file. By following these steps, you can easily send audio files to your friends or channels on Discord using your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.